Good morning, students. Class 6 English Grammar, Chapter 9 Auxiliary Verbs. In our previous video, we read about different modal auxiliaries, their functions, along with their examples. This was the table we read. Now, let's solve certain exercises related to modal auxiliaries and other topics of the content. Fill in the blanks with the correct modal auxiliaries. Here, as you can see, we are given two choices of answer. We have to select one and write it in the blank. For example, the first one, dash you play the piano. Now, the two options given are may and can. So, the correct modal auxiliary according to the sentence is can. So, this way we have to solve the questions. I hope I'm clear with it. Okay. Now moving on to next page. Let's see what do we have. These are the two questions 9 and 10 of the previous exercise. Now next question we have, fill in the blanks using the correct modal auxiliaries with the main verbs given in brackets. Now in this particular exercise, a main verb is given in the bracket as you can see, and we have to add a modal auxiliary to it and write the correct answer. For example, the first one, you dash your parents every week. The main verb given is call. We have added the modal auxiliary, it is should. So the answer becomes, you should call your parents every week. I might go to her party if she invites me. माइट हमने देखा था लेस पॉसिबिलिटी होती है कि अगर वो मुझे इनवाइट करती है तो मैं शायद पार्टी में जा सकती हूँ. आई एम नॉट इन अ हरी, आई हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम, आई कैन वेट. डोंट लीव योर बाईसाइकिल हियर, समवन मे स्टील इट. कोई चोरी कर सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी है. आई एम ऑन माई वे, आई शैल बी देयर इन 10 minutes. मैं ऑन द वे हूँ, इसीलिए पॉसिबल है कि 10 minutes में वहाँ पहुँच जाऊँ. यू मस्ट बाय अ ट्रैवल गाइड बिफोर गोइंग टू हवाई. हवाई एक प्लेस है जहाँ आप घूमने जा रहे हैं, तो उससे बेटर है उससे पहले आप एक ट्रैवल गाइड, सो दैट आप अगर किसी नई जगह जाते हैं हम, और अगर हमारे पास ट्रैवल गाइड होती है तो इजी हो जाता है हमें किसी भी चीज़ को ढूंढने में या जानने में. नील कैन कीप द शर्ट इफ़ ही वॉन्ट्स, आई डोंट नीड इट नाउ. मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, अगर नील चाहे तो ये शर्ट रख सकता है. सो आपने देखा किस तरह हमने मेन वर्ब के साथ एक मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब ऐड किया एंड वी गॉट आवर आंसर्स. Now, here is another exercise of Let's Perfect It. Complete these sentences using suitable verbs with the given primary auxiliaries. Now you can see the primary auxiliaries are given here. He is, she was, they had, he did, we are. Surbi and Raman were, it had, I am, my mother was, we were. So I have completed the sentences using suitable verbs. He is watering the plants in the garden. She was cooking some porridge for me. They had never been to a foreign country. He did not run fast. We are going to Jaipur tomorrow. Surbi and Raman were playing chess in their free lecture. It has been raining since morning. I am writing a book. My mother was worried about my studies. We were planning to go for a picnic this weekend. So this way the sentences are complete. Next exercise we have fill in the blanks with the correct words. Again we have a choice of two answers. We have to choose the correct one and fill in the blanks. I would love to go on a trip to Goa but it may cost a fortune. यानी मेरा मन है गोवा ट्रिप जाने का, बट शायद उसमें कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, पैसे ज़्यादा लग जाएंगे. दे मे बी ऑन अ हॉलीडे बट आई एम नॉट श्योर. हो सकता है वो हॉलीडे पे हैं बट मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ. कैन यू होल्ड योर ब्रेथ फॉर मोर दैन अ मिनट. क्या आप 1 मिनट से ज़्यादा अपनी ब्रेथ को होल्ड कर सकते हो. सो दिस वे वी हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट word from the two given choice. Page number 77, we have the rest of the questions of exercise B. As you can have a look. The last question of the chapter is match the following and form a sentence of your own using each model. As you can see, we have two columns. The left column is having 5 models and the right column is having the expressions. So we have to first match them, and then using these models we have to frame sentences. So this is the exercise to be done. The chapter is over. Now you go through the chapter thoroughly, read it out, read the examples, solve the exercises, complete the work, and if you have any queries, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.